Hello class, today we're going to go ahead and go over some notes on simplifying expressions. For these notes, we're going to use some color coding to help us understand. So in the directions it says color all terms with an X yellow, X squareds are blue, all constants are red. And then we're going to combine like terms, which means terms of the same color. So let's go ahead and start with problem number 1. I am going to color all X terms yellow. So I'm actually going to circle them in. And notice how I'm circling in the sign in front of it because the sign in front of it is really important as well. X squareds are blue, and remember again, I'm going to circle in those signs in front. And then constants are red. Now we can combine terms of the same color. I'm going to go ahead and start with the X squareds. I have a positive 11X squared minus 3X squared. So we do 11 minus 3, which is 8. And you don't forget to put that X squared attached to the 8. Now let's do the X terms. For the X terms, I have plus X. That's like a 1X. So I have a positive 1X minus 5X. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So I put a minus 4. And I remember to attach the X. Next, I'm going to do the constant. There's only one of them, so I can go ahead and list the minus 7. This means our final answer is 8x squared minus 4x minus 7. Notice how the color coding can make life easier when you're simplifying expressions. You are welcome to do this on your assignments as well. For the next one, let's start with the x squareds. There's just one blue x squared. Let's see what we have for yellow x's. I have a 4x. I have a plus 10x. And that's it. And then for constants, I have a minus 15 and a plus 6. Now when I go to list them, I'm going to put the x squared first. I have a positive x squared, so I just write x squared here. Next, let's do the yellow x's. I have a positive 4x plus 10x. 4x plus 10x is plus 14x. And then last we have a negative 15 because of that minus in front, plus 6. Negative 15 plus 6 is a negative 9. So our final answer for that one is x squared plus 14x minus 9. Now let's look at example 3. For our x squareds, we have a negative 2x squared. For our x's, we have a 3x and a 7x. And then for our constants, we have a negative 21 and a positive 14. I'm going to start by writing the x squared first, negative 2x squared. There's just one of those. Now I'm going to combine my x's. 3x plus 7x is a plus 10x. And last I'll combine my constants. Negative 21 plus 14. Negative 21 plus 14 is in fact a negative 7. So our final answer for this one is negative 2x squared plus 10x minus 7. For our last problem, we have a negative x squared and a negative 5x squared, both being circled in blue. Next, I'm going to do the x terms. I have a x in front and then a plus 2x. And last, for constants, we have the minus 6. Now let's combine these terms. For the blue ones, the x squareds, I have a negative x squared. That's like a negative 1. So I have a negative 1 minus 5, which leads to a negative 6x squared. For the x's, this x in front is a 1x, even though there's no 1 there. Whenever there's no number listed in front, it means 1. We have a 1x plus a 2x, so that's plus 3x. And last, we have the minus 6. So our final answer for this one is negative 6x squared plus 3x minus 6. If you have any questions or need extra help on simplifying expressions, please go see your teacher.